How to archive and unarchive messages in Google Messages. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, on the Messages application on your device, and make sure that you have logged into your account on Google Messages as well. So here what you simply need to do is tap on your profile at the top right corner, or rather first of all let's archive the messages. So let's make a long press on the message that you'd want to archive and simply tap on this arrow down button. So as you do that, your message will be archived. Now if you want to unarchive this, simply tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and select on the option of archived over here. So let's tap on archived and simply tap over here. You can see all the archived messages. So let's make a long press and then tap on this arrow up button over here. And there you go. You have unarchived a message over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.